Yes, you can talk now.
Myself Akshya. I studied in Holy Indian School.
That's all about you. Let me know what's your hobby.
Sir,
What is your hobby?
I can't hear you, sir.
Your hobby.
Yeah, my hobby is to dance. Sometimes I'll sing.
Your native place?
Chennai, sir.
Chennai only. Good.
Yeah.
May God bless you, my child. Let me go. Bala Murugan, will you come to?
Hello, sir.
Hello, good morning.
கேக்குதா? Good morning, sir.
கேக்குது கண்ணா, நல்லா கேக்குது. சொல்லு.
My name is Balamurugan, sir. I studied in Sarda Ishwar Pochilur, sir.
Good. Only that
My
much.
hobby is playing cricket, sir.
Oh, you used to play cricket. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Whether you played in district level or TNCA or only
No, sir. No, sir.
only tennis
Tournament,
ball
sir.
cricket or cricket ball?
Only cricket, sir. Cricket ball, sir.
Okay. Then any other interested field?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let me move to the next student, Ajay Prasad.
Hello, sir. I am Ajay Prasad.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Where you study?
I am studying Shiksha Matriculation Higher Secondary School. My hobby is playing football.
Oh, you used to play football. Which team you like the most?
Yes, sir.
Which country's team? Argentina or Brazil? Which?
Portugal.
Your voice is not audible. It's breaking.
Portugal, sir.
திருப்பி சொல்றியா கண்ணா? I'm not able to.
Now hearing us, sir.
Come again.
Portugal.
Portugal. Oh. May God bless you, my
Yes,
child.
sir.
Janita.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. May God bless you.
Sir.
Yes, Solupa.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. May God bless you. Yes, Janita.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
My name is Janita. I'm from Jawahar Vidyalaya School. My hobbies are singing, dancing, reading books.
Oh, you used to sing?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes,
sir.
At 2 lines, you can sing.
No, sir, no.
What's wrong then?
No, sir.
You said it's your hobby.
Not good. Yes, I'm not good. I'm not that good in singing, sir.
For your sake, shall I sing?
No.
Shall I?
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes,
see,
sir.
this is my own composing. Why? Because I used to take motivation class for the students, especially 11th, 12th. I used to take. By the time I used to sing, then only that would be proud for me. For that sake, I just made this particular song. This is the way this goes. Padam padi diname, padam padi diname படித்தால் மதிப்பெண் உயர்ந்திடுமே, அதிகாலை எழுந்து நீயும் பாடம் படி தினமே தினமே. நல்லா இருக்கா?
சூப்பரா இருக்கு சார்.
ஸ்டான்ஸா ரொம்ப முக்கியமா, ஏன்னா வெரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் உங்களுக்கு நான் படிப்போட முக்கியத்துவத்தை சொல்ற part is it. I'm just because as a youngsters, when I keep on telling what is available in the book, whatever you have to create an interest. Then only they will study well. இந்த ஸ்டான்ஸா எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச ஸ்டான்ஸா. இது எப்படி சொல்லணும்னா how you have to read என்றது இந்த ஸ்டான்ஸா. காலையில் கணிதம் மதியம் அறிவியல் மாலையில் படித்தன்று படிக்க மறந்தால் தேர்வென்று வரும்போது எழுத துணை ஆதலினாலே அதிகாலை எழுந்து நீயும் பாடம் படி. அதாவது you have to do maths in the morning hours and you have to study science related subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, all these things during afternoon because lab session will be there. Evening the literature that you should study. Then this is a way that you should read. காலங்காத்தால தமிழோ இங்கிலீஷோ லிட்ரேச்சர் படிக்கிறது, காலங்காத்தால பிசிக்ஸை படிக்கிறது, காத்தால எழுந்த உடனே மேத்ஸ் ரிலேட்டட் ப்ராப்ளம், அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ், மேத்ஸ், லீனியர் ப்ரோக்ராம் அந்த மாதிரி மேத்ஸ் ரிலேட்டடா படிக்கும்போது நல்லா படிக்கும். மத்தியானம் டெஸ்ட் பண்ற இது தியரிஸ் இருக்கிறதா படிக்கணும், அதாவது சயின்ஸ் படிக்கணும். ஈவினிங் லிட்ரேச்சர் படிக்கணும். இப்படி படிச்சாதான் நம்ம கிராஸ்பிங் பவர் கரெக்டா இருக்கும். அதனால தான் இந்த லைன் படிச்சிருக்கீங்க. May God bless you, Jarita. Anyhow, உங்க கிளாஸ் நான் வந்தது எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா. Shall we move to next? Tarun?
Sir, do you hear me?
Yes, you are so audible.
Hello, sir. My name is Tarun, sir. I'm from Sairam Vidyalaya.
Very good.
And my hobbies are karate, silambam, and volleyball, sir.
Oh.
And I'm from Madurai, sir. I was born in Madurai, but I studied in Chennai, sir.
Oh. You know karate?
And of course, I'm a
yes, sir. என்ன belt வாங்கிருக்க? Black belt?
Black, sir.
Black வாங்கிருக்க?
Black 3.
Oh.
Yes, sir. I'm an international player, sir.
Wow. I have to appreciate it. Taru, may God bless you. Have a great future.
Thank you, sir.
Oh.
Thank you.
May God bless. I want to share one story after the.
Sir, what about you, sir?
Huh? Me.
Sir, what about you, sir? Your
Myself.
name, your hobbies. You didn't say anything.
Definitely,
Yeah,
I have to introduce myself. But once you are let share and complete, then I will introduce myself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Share and Pops.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Very good morning. Nice.
Sir, my name is Sharon. I'm studying Mother Matriculation Higher Secondary School in Pallikarnai. From ஆபிலாம் இல்லை சார். எதுவுமே
இதெல்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது.
எது வேணா விளையாடுவேன்.
எது வேணா விளையாடுவேன். வெரி குட். இந்த இன்டகிரேட்டர் முடிச்சிட்ட அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? MBA once you receive MBA degree, what you are going to do?
சார் மேனேஜிங் தான் சார். நான் ஒரு ஏன்னா ஒரு கம்பெனியில் போயிட்டு மேனேஜர் ஆகிடுவேன் சார்.
சரி, இப்போ நான் என்ன இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். என் பேர் சந்திரசூட் சிவராமகிருஷ்ணன். சிவராமகிருஷ்ணன்றது எங்க அப்பா பேரு. நான் இங்க குளோம்பேட் போர்டர் ஸ்கூல்ல படித்தேன். அடுத்தது என்னுடைய யூஜி SIVT BA Economics. Then I studied my MA and Phil in Madras Christian College, and I did my PhD in University of Madras. Meanwhile, I got through my lectureship conducted by Bharadas University, UGC, SLET in 2000 and NET in 2001. Now I am a postdoctorate. Apart from that, I have 2 master degrees in MCA and MBA. Apart from that, I completed high school there in I'm having 7 diplomas, including tailoring. This is the academic side. Professional side, that I think it's enough. Meanwhile, another semester is there. Definitely, we will share our. It's a basic introduction about. I have to thank Tarun, but he's the one I have given opportunity to share my.
Thank you, sir.
இந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது forward thinking உள்ள students எனக்கு கிடைச்சது I'm happy. But today only 8 students are present. There are more students they could come. Why they are not present, I don't know. From in the forthcoming class, they will be attending. Meanwhile, for your sake, I want to repeat the syllabus again because buy a new notebook, a too old notebook, not a normal notebook. Have a classmate or some costly minimum of 2 rupees because that quality of notebook now making to read. Another thing, first page, write your name. Simply don't write. Have a stencil and take 5 or 10 minutes to decorate your name. That name itself should say that you are interested in that subject. Then in the second page, I will share this particular PPT in that you can write from that particular PPT. Okay. For your sake, I will repeat the syllabus again. There are 5 units. In unit 1, we are studying about the basic concepts in managerial economics. What are they? Introduction to managerial economics, then fundamental principles like incremental principle, equal margin principle, and we are going to study some decision rules. Then theory of risk and theory of uncertainty, and introduction about demand analysis. In unit 2, in continuation with the demand analysis, we are going to study about the law of demand and elasticity of demand. In that elasticity of demand, before that, we have to study about what are the different methods of demand forecasting. Demand forecasting for existing product, demand forecasting for a new product. Then what are the types of demand and how the method is implemented, like trend projection method and discovery method. Finally, a theoretical part, what are the implications for demand forecasting and what are the uses and importance of these things we can study in the second unit. In the third unit, once we know what is a demand and we know basic adaptable management, then we go for the production. So we should know how to construct the production function. For that, we should know what are the input-output decisions. For input-output decision, we should connect the cost also. So the cost function, how we have to construct. In that particular cost function, we should explain what is the relation between the cost and output, not only in the short run, but also in the long run. Then production theories like law of variable proportion, law of return to scale. Finally, what will happen when we expand our demand? So large scale of production. In that large scale of production, the advantages are called economies of scale and disadvantages are called diseconomies of scale. These are the portions covered in unit 3. And in unit 4, once we know basic concept of managerial economics and we have forecasted the demand and we start producing that, the next task is pricing the product. In that pricing the product, we should know about the market. There are 2 markets, perfect and imperfect. So in perfect, there is 2 types: perfect market, pure market. In imperfect, it is monopoly, duopoly, oligopoly, and monopolistic. Our portion covers only duopoly strategy. And to some extent, we study how to price based on the life cycle of the product. Then we conclude with a capital budgeting. That is, what are the investment methods that we have? We have included totally 4 are available, but our syllabus covers only 3 methods. One is payback period method, net present value method, and internal rate of return. So finally, in the last unit, we used to study theory of firm. There are 3 theories, different theories we are going to study. One is the economic theory of firm, second one is behavioral theory of firm, and third one is managerial theories of the firm. Apart from these 3 theories, we should also discuss about the profit analysis. In that break-even analysis, we used to study how we have considered break-even chart, how to find the break-even point, not only in fiscal unit but also in the money value. Then some basic concepts like safety margin, targeted profit. Also marginal costing, we should study. finally, how we can take the decision in a business. So these are the portions covered in Unit 5. I have given a list of textbooks. See the third, all the books are available in our library, even the reference book. All three are foreign authors. These books are also available, but these three books you cannot borrow. You have to sit and read in the library. The first three you can borrow with your card. It will take another 15 or 20 days to get the library card because you are new admission. You should have a registration number. Keep it in mind, for any subject, there will be 3 internal continuous assignments, CA. We used to call it as CAT, continuous assessment test. That continuous assessment, 50 marks, are total marks, section A, section B, and section C. And we will include these 3 internal. Apart from that, assignment mark will be there, and attendance mark will be there. And you have to give one seminar for that. So aggregate will be, you give the internal mark for 40 marks. The rest of the 60 is external. External is a semester end examination. This particular subject subject code is 18 CMBF15. This regulation is 18 and your subject code is 18 CMBF15. This is last 15 represents the 5 is a 50 paper, 1 is a first semester paper. Okay. So this is my contact number. This is my mail ID. Importantly, I want to create the Google Classroom. So all of you, please note my number and kindly share your Gmail ID, not any other, not Yahoo or Default. Kindly share your Gmail. If you don't have, create one and then send to my number, or even you can mail to me. Then I will create a Google Classroom. Once we create the Google Classroom, it is easy to communicate with us. It's a very first day, that's why very less number of students are there. The other class, they will come and join. So don't forget, buy a new notebook, write your name in the first page, in the second page. That syllabus should be Google Classroom upload every day class and evening notebook photo upload follow. Okay, with this I'm going to God bless you. Bye. There are 3 more people are coming. Almost. Hereafter, be in time. 9 o'clock means 9 o'clock. You should come and join. Okay. I'm ending the class now. We'll meet tomorrow. I will share the particular thing. For newcomer, latecomers, kindly note my phone number as well as mail ID. You have to share your Gmail ID to my number, or you can mail to me. I want to create a Google Classroom. May God bless you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm ending.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.